Making money online is more accessible and diverse than ever. This guide covers freelance work, affiliate marketing, online courses, and e-commerce. Freelance work. Freelancing involves offering your skills to clients on a project basis. It's flexible, allowing you to choose projects and set your rates. Identify your skills. Determine what services you can offer. Common jobs include writing, graphic design, and web development. Create a portfolio. Showcase your work to potential clients. Join freelance platforms. Sign up for websites like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancers can make anywhere from $20 to $100+ per hour. Affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Promote products and earn a commission for every sale through your referral link. Choose a niche you're passionate about, like health or technology. Sign up for programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. Use your blog, social media, or YouTube to share affiliate links. Earnings vary from a few dollars to thousands per month. Be honest and promote products you believe in. Creating and selling online courses. What is an online course? An online course is a structured program of lessons delivered via the internet. Share your knowledge and earn money. Identify your expertise. Choose a topic with demand. Create your course. Use platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi. Market your course. Promote through your blog and social media. Potential earnings. Earnings can vary greatly. Blogging. What is blogging? Blogging involves writing articles on a website about topics you're passionate about. Build an audience and monetize your content. Choose a niche you enjoy. Set up your blog. Use platforms like WordPress. Create content. Write high-quality posts regularly. Earn through ads, sponsored posts, and affiliate marketing. Consistent posting is key. Optimize for SEO, engage with readers, build a community around your blog. E-commerce. What is e-commerce? E-commerce involves selling products or services online through platforms like Amazon, eBay, or Etsy. Choose your products. Use platforms like Shopify or WooCommerce to create your store. Market your products using social media and email marketing. Earnings depend on your product's pricing and marketing efforts. Some sellers make a few $100s, others six-figure incomes. Common challenges and how to overcome them. Balancing multiple ventures. Use productivity tools. Build your audience. Engage with followers. Compete effectively. Offer unique value. Resources and tools. Freelance platforms, Upwork, Fiverr, Freelancer, affiliate programs, Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank. Frequently asked questions. Can anyone make money online? Yes, with determination and the right strategy. It requires effort and consistency. How much can I make online? Earnings vary widely. Some make hundreds, others six figures. Do I need technical skills? Many methods do not require technical skills. Numerous resources are available. How long to start making money? It depends on the method and commitment.